Hey friends, it's Aki here. Today, I decided to try out the glow in the dark filaments from Bambu Lab because it looks so cool. I picked the glow pink color and it comes on its own spool. After loading it into the AMS unit, I found a mushroom model on Maker Lab that seemed perfect for the print. I set the filaments to pee out a glow and started printing. The mushroom printed beautifully with great details on the grills and the smooth curve of the cap. While printing, I tried shining a purple LED light on the spool to get it glowing, but it didn't glow as much as I expected, which made me a little bit nervous. But once the print was finished, I was super happy with how cute it looks. Time for the glow test. With the lights on, it didn't look like much, but as soon as I turned the lights off, I was amazed. The mushroom glowed softly but beautifully. I then pointed a purple LED light on it for a few minutes to charge it up for more. And wow, the glow was incredible. It lit up evenly, almost like a glowing ball from an anime world. I'm definitely giving this glow in the dark filament a thumbs up.